The next case now from complainant Mohammed Diko Galadima, and the respondents na Ahmed Tijani. So the alleged talk say they pay money for job to Ahmed Tijani, and the money na like get grade by grade. If na BSc you get, you go pay 1.7 million naira. So
if
people
you get BSc,
yes,
you
sir,
go pay 1.7 million
yes,
naira.
sir. If you get ND, 1 million naira.
Okay.
If you get NCE, 1 million naira. So they did about 10 people, but only 3 come represent them.
Okay, the others they outside I be there and they
no others come. No come. Only 3 of them come, sir.
So
from Kaduna.
When I don't reach out to the person where they carry money give.
Yes, sir.
Consultant Ike, make we hear the update.
Yes, Ordinary President. I don't reach him. I call. Most times, they take a call. I go send message. He go begin call back. So when we talk last, they insist, say, yes, true, say, collect their money, chop their money. But say the matter there for EFCC. This other one say they are no follow for the ones who carry their matter go for EFCC. I tell them, make it come, make we discuss with them to agree on how it go refund them the money.
How much be the total of money where they pay?
It's about 16 million.
Can you check it and be specific?
Sir?
How much be the money we will gather give them?
We gather, we calculated, sir, we have 17,500,000.
17,500,000.
And he refunds 1.5 million.
And he don't refund 1.5 million.
Remaining 16 million.
What be this man name?
His name is Ahmed Tijani Damekosai.
Ahmed Tijani Damekosai.
Yes, sir.
Where in they live?
Sir, in they live for Kaduna.
Kaduna, which area for Kaduna?
I think it's that Kinkinau Road.
Kinkinau.
There is one area they call the area is in Kinkinau. It's around Kinkinau. Yes, sir. It's living there.
Inside Kinkinau.
Yes, sir.
Within family.
Yes, sir.
Which work in they do?
Now civil defense, sir.
Ahmed Tijani Damekosai.
Yes, sir.
Make una give me PRO civil defense, but una sure say una reach out to this man.
Let me reach out to them. Even message where he said.
Because I know they like some to go make person losing job. Now when we don't exhaust all this mediation mechanism, now in matter they come on air. Ahmed Tijani Damekosai.
I have messages where
yes,
a reply from the one where I
read one of the messages and the reply.
The one I sent them first. This is Consultant Ike of Brekete Family, Human Rights Radio and Television. I have called you again about Ahmed Diko Galadima case against you. This is in line with your promise to tell us how you want to resolve this issue without escalation. This after the first conversation I had with him. He didn't respond. I sent another one again, sending his number. I sent a third message again saying, you didn't pick when I called you. I am right now in live broadcast. That's when he was trying to now call back.
Okay.
Studio.
He reply you any message?
Yes. One of them, he said, I was asleep when you called after morning supplications. I waited for your calls yesterday as you promised, but you were busy, I think. We had an agreement with them that we will resolve the matter before it escalates, like you said. Both Ibrahim Diko and I reported the case to EFCC Kaduna Zonal Command, petition number EFCC/PET/KAD/1270/2023, which we are now in the middle of processing the case, plus the court case that is ongoing on the same matter in the High Court of Justice of Kaduna State of Nigeria in Kaduna Judicial Division of the High Court of Justice, holding at Kaduna, suite number KDH/KDA/1064/2023. Kindly bear with me for whatever our resolve is on how to return their money after plus minus from both sides, which I am ever ready to go with right now, and waiting for them for it will be officially communicated to you for your perusal. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's good as we engage them. You see, una case day for court.
Yes, sir, as you say.
No, are you aware of any court case?
Yes, sir.
Your matter is in court.
He take us to court, not we take him to court.
Oh, person wey chop una money.
It's true, sir.
Sue una to court.
It's demand for human right, because in talk say we dey disturb and true form. We dey call line now in the face say you want move freely, we go attack her. We where we dey live for Yobe State. The person where they live
una dey live for Yobe State.
Una live for Yobe State.
How una take sabi this man?
Thank you, sir. There is one NCDC Civil Defense Kaduna Deputy Commandant. His name na Yakubu Yahaya Musa. I sabi that time where I dey live in Kaduna before my father died. I go back to my normal state. After that one, that Yahaya Yakubu Musa introduced me to approach me for the first time. They are having replacement of civil defense and federal fire service. I say, okay, since you say so, me right now, I don't have the money because my father died. You understand? I have my juniors ones are under me because I'm the elder brother. Right now, I don't have the capacity, but I one of my friend. I know that he has the capacity. If the thing is truly genuine, because respect three things with you. Respect your uniform, your rank, and your age. I know that you involve yourself in something illegal. He say yes. He agree with this concept that I say to him. I say no problem. I introduce you to one of my friends. Here is this.
Talk to the mic.
Thank you, sir. Shaibu, Audi Shaibu. He say okay. After he told me that you people are in your best set, I'm in Kaduna. Say you people, why can't you come to Kaduna? Say so that we start the deal. I say okay. If it is so, now let me call the person that has the interest, so that we talk physically, not through form. I call him. He called one of his friends, and he called his elder brother that is going to pay him the money. I said, okay, how will you sell? How much? He told me that they used to sell it in 1.7. I said, okay, if it is so, I insist, because I'm the first person that started approach me, because those people, they trust me. I say, no problem. If we do it in that way, I don't agree to pay money hand to hand. Please, sir, say you have this generally, okay? Give us our account number and salary account number. And you give us we wrote the agreement.
And a salary account number you give us.
You give us account number, both of them. I say, okay, so let's start paying the money so that I get the receipt of
we will not pay the money into your account?
Through the account, sir. Okay. And we have the evidence. We have everything.
You don't do. So collectively now, waiting on they ask for 16 million naira.
Yes, sir.
And this man we wanna carry this allegation put for his head. Before the money na 17.5 million naira. He don't pay 1.5 million naira.
Yes, sir.
Which means he is not denying.
He's not denying.
So this same person now get the audacity to carry una go court.
It's true, sir.
Nigeria. Anything you think is not possible in Nigeria is not just possible, it's happening.
It's my people. I was sitting at home. I hear call from
Don't worry. You say in name na
Ahmed Tijani Damekose.
Ahmed Tijani Damekose. Waiting being rank for civil defense.
I think it's assistant superintendent ASP.
And then the person will introduce you to Ram.
Yahaya Yakubu Musa.
Yahaya Yakubu
Musa.
Waiting being rank. Yahaya Yakubu Musa.
Sir, I think it's Deputy Commandant Kaduna.
Deputy Commandant for Kaduna.
Yes, sir.
Yahaya Yakubu Musa.
Musa, yes, sir.
Now he introduce you to who?
Ahmed Tijani Damekose.
Okay. And then, since when will I give him this money?
We started on 3 November 2022.
3rd November?
Yes, sir.
2022.
Yes, sir.
How many people in don't get job for so far?
Before when we start.
Since when will I give her money? How many of you don't give job to?
No even one, sir.
Thank God. This thing where would they talk about proactiveness or effective reaction.
Yes, sir.
The PRO Civil Defense, National PRO Civil Defense, where they try to get a number from my people, make we call him. Now he called by himself now. Make we appreciate the PRO Civil Defense. Hello, National PRO, sir.
Hello, my ordinary president.
You know, say if to say a day around, ba, this matter for no come on air because of our relationship with the Civil Defense.
Yes, sir.
You understand? But now where the thing don't come on air, which thing you get to talk about?
My ordinary president, thank you very much for what you're doing. I'm so much interested in that case. Please, I'm in the office right away and watching you. Please let this man come right away so that we can incident the case and do necessary things.
Una no go appreciate them. This now organization where they organize. See respond, see response where we see, make we appreciate. Imagine say police they respond like this. Imagine say okay army they respond well. Imagine say Navy they respond. In fact Air Force now them be the worst. DSS they respond well. NIA they respond well. You see Air Force, it be like say those ones they are not organized. And I talk them. Anybody will challenge me, I go tell you now how disorganized the Nigerian Air Force day. Una will be senior officers we get credibility and integrity. Make una do something before una reputation go enter toilet where they go flush up. Now Nigerian Air Force wife carry cry come say husband they kill him. Will involve the authority of the Nigerian Air Force. They don't do anything. The provost of Nigerian Air Force called. Person daughter they die. Provost they laugh ho 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 on air. Now from that day I mark him. The next thing, the same Air Force officer get the effrontery, I beat the shamelessness to talk say with the harasser. Thank you very much, National PRO Civil Defense. Make we appreciate the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. Thank you. So make una get ready. After the program, una they go meet, una they go headquarters. All the people where they talk to me.
Thank you, sir. We really appreciate your effort, sir. God bless you as station.
And now God catch una. Now God they punish una so one by one. Una no say una no qualify. Una carry money to buy other people mandate. See what thing God do una. Now Allah is be that.
Sorry, sir.
You ma sorry. Una no say una no qualify. Now him make. Una they buy another person. So person will do exercise, do training, do screening, do everything. They go carry in name, come out. They go replace them with what be your name?
Sir, my name is Mohammed Diko Galadima.
They go come carry your name, replace person who will qualify.
He was telling us that one is replacement, no recruitment.
No be replacement I talk. My brothers, my sisters, when I see how God catch them. But after I don't scold them finish, tell them say God catch them. Nigeria of today, almost everything for Nigeria, no be on merit, yes. Na bribery. Na bribery. Ministries, departments, and agencies of government cannot carry their budget to the National Assembly without bribe in the name of pardon. Una budget na 10 billion naira, they say make it 34 billion naira. So now waiting they happen for the society now we they see so. Me, I don't ever encourage people to give bribe on air, and I go still encourage. If you are traveling, you there for bush, police stop you, and the police be like say it is serious, it go harm you. He ask for bribe, give him. If you go one place, you get patient for hospital, they no one attend to them. Doctor demand for bribe, give him. If they ask you why, talk say na the ordinary president na talk say make you give them. Once it is a matter of life and death, urgency, emergency, apply your common sense, because common sense no dey common. Now I make madman will be the commonest man no get am. Yes, I know my right, I know my right. No be when it involve life. You can give bribe now and claim your right later. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Make we appreciate them for coming. So make una go back. We go carry una go civil defense headquarters.
Thank you, sir.
Recover
really
una money by the grace of God.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you, bless the station,
Yes,
sir.
Oji Sarafik,
Yes,
he said, my ordinary president, my brother's wife is suffering, you know. My sisters are bullying that innocent woman with her 5 children. As I